Welcome back to Diane from Homeschool. I wanted to give you a tour of our homeschool room, so stay tuned.
Welcome back to Dynamic Homeschool. Welcome back to Dynamic Homeschool. So we're going to start with this side of the room, which is our bookshelves that I got from IKEA. This side has chapter books and easy readers. It is our personal library. And then if we start down here at the bottom, this is our layers of learning books. And if you see my other videos, I've done a curriculum review on this. Down below are some other curriculum, our spelling power, psychology books, fallacy detective, stuff we're not using this year or we've already used and we're not needing it any longer. And then if we come over to this side, this is our science utensils that we would use. It has some like eye droplets, our microscope, some our science projects like making a rocket ship, or some solar system projects. And then if we come over here, this top shelf and over on this side are more curriculum that I'm currently using. I don't use it every single day, but I might need it for the week, or it's curriculum that we're about to go on to because I don't finish our curriculum for the year if we just finish what we do and then the next year we move on to the next book. So sometimes we're in between curriculums. This is what this is. Right here is our poetry and sign language and short stories like Aesop fables. The whole bottom shelf is science books of all your weather, your solar systems, the body. Here is our history curriculum or history books. And then here is more history books that we can read with it. Down below are some of the big history and science books, textbooks that do not fit up in these shelves. So they fit down here, and then down below is our Math UC teacher's manuals and some printed student guides as well for my younger two as they reach that level. And then on this side are things for my planner and extra different types of paper, envelopes, lamination sheets, and folders. So that's it for this shelf. Moving on to our printer station and where we have the art book that we're displaying and the money. And then down below is some sewing stuff and like my hole punchers for my printer and stuff. Those are here, and my lamination. That's just what's in this shelf. If we move over here, obviously my desk, my school desk. Up top is where we have the readers for my daughter and the math DVDs. So they're all in one place and easy to find. This is the curriculum that I pull out, or the teacher's manuals that I pull out daily. I try to put them in the shelf all the time, but it gets really annoying moving them here to there and back. And so I just created a space where I can quickly grab them and then bring them to the table. And then inside of this is holding some of like our loose curriculum papers, because I print sometimes handwriting sheets or the financial curriculum that we're doing. I just print the worksheets online. So this is a good place for me to hold that, and when we need to do it, then I can just pull it from there. Okay, so over from the left of my desk is where my kids keep all of the books they're using and their planners. So up here is art supplies for my youngest, coloring books, because if you have multiple children, you know that they like to pull all of the paper out of the printer all the time. So this is a spot where I've put extra paper and coloring sheets, along with this little tote that has some scissors and glue and markers, so it's easy access for her. This top shelf is my oldest daughter's my son, and then below are my two youngest daughters, and they each have their own bucket of stuff. Over here is where this basket back here is their completed work, and I'll go through that at the end of the year and keep a few pages and get rid of anything that we don't need. These are learning activities that my youngest can do, or my two youngest, the oldest are working. It keeps her busy and quiet so I can work with them, and then we switch out. Inside of these drawers, this top one has paint supplies and construction paper and some glitter and little things for her to do more art with.